Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Toyota Corolla Hatch, stock reference number 5741. The shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 6th month 2018. It has a 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the left-hand headlight. Left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, both left-hand doors have no damage. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate has no damage, right hand tail light, right hand tailgate garnish, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has no damage. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.